Welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we'll show you how to manage blood requests, capturing who needs blood, what type, and how urgently so the right unit reaches the right patient without delay. Let's get started. From the sidebar, navigate to Blood Bank and click it to open the Blood Bank dropdown. Now select Blood Requests to view and manage all the current requests in the system. This opens the interface where you can view, create, and update request records. Click here to start a new request. A form opens, ready for you to capture the patient, the blood needed, and the details around it. First, choose the patient making the request, then the doctor associated with it from their respective dropdowns. Linking both keeps the request accountable and tied straight to the patient's care. Next, in the hospital name field, enter the hospital where the blood is needed. This tells your team exactly where the unit is headed. Then set the blood group and the blood component needed. Getting this pairing right is what makes sure the patient receives a compatible unit. After that, enter the volume required in milliliters. A precise figure here helps your team fulfill the request from stock accurately. After you specify the quantity needed, this opens the pricing information for you to review or confirm the cost details tied to the request. This keeps the financial side of the request transparent from the start. Next, open the date picker and select the date the blood is needed. Setting a clear date helps your team prioritize fulfillment. Then set the urgency level. For example, medium. This flags how quickly the request needs attention, so critical cases rise to the top. In the address field, enter the delivery or hospital location for the request. This confirms where the unit should be sent. In the notes field, add any special instructions. For instance, a note to handle the patient's case with particular care. Anything worth flagging for whoever fulfills the request goes here. Now click Create to save the request. The new record is logged in the system straight away. And that's a wrap on blood requests. You've just learned how to create a blood request and capture every detail accurately. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial as we continue setting up your blood bank system.